Myself. I am Ranjit. He is Rohan. We have worked over a project on our SIP program, and now we will be explaining about the problem statement and the solution we have come to it.
So the problem statement states that the farmers in the paddy farming or the other farmers are facing the problem with the big harvesting machines or the machines which are too big to use. And the big machines have the usual problem of driveways in the farming fields because the farmers in the paddy fields are consistent with the areas. So we came up with an idea of like a machine which is miniaturized to the right of a small car. You can say a nano one. So the present solution we came up was this design, as you can see here. The design itself shows that it's a small one, compact, and it will have a harvesting like filter backside. And the main thing which I'm focusing on is the blades. The blades of this machine are something different than the usual one, and we are trying to minimize the waste product which is being thrown out by the like harvesting machine which was used before. And presently we have the information about the Japanese new harvesting machine which is work similar to this one, and we are trying to compare the both and making it more efficient. In this thing we are using a compact mechanism of cutting down the crops in a manner which no seeds will be thrown down and the waste will be collected at a place and thrown at a time, which can lessen the work of the laborers, and the most solution will be given by now.
The points of the problem were the size of the machine and the efficiency that used to be get reduced because of the wastage throwing up. The wastage was not getting collected. These two were the main problems, and the costing also. So we reduced the costing by using a small engine which runs all the mechanisms. Basically the big machine was not it was not required that the big engines were so much involved in the operation of that big vehicle. So we are using a small nano-sized engine for it.
44 HP.
And second thing was the size, due to which it was not able to get it transported everywhere, and a special person was required to run it and understand the mechanism. We are reducing those two operations. And third thing was the mechanism by how it was getting wasted. That we are using 3 plates at the lower side, by which the wastage is getting collected somewhere else, so that they can trash it out even after the collecting of the grades.
Thank you.